Yo, hello guys and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial guys, I will be showing you how to delete your website on his Hostinger. So, it's simply easy. So, what you have to do is open your browser, then go to the URL section and search for Hostinger. Of course, I will give you a brief definition or what this Hostinger website does. It's completely as you can see here. It's a host and at the same time give you domain names, VPS and emails. So now if you want to get any of its deals, you can just check them in here. So VPS, here you can see the emails and here the domains and you can see here's the price. Now for you guys to be able to delete your domain name after you bought it in here, what you have to do is simply go to login and then log into your account. And there is simply two ways. The first way, which is by going to manage, and as you can see here, my auto renewal is disabled. So basically make sure that your auto renewal, which is gonna be over here, is disabled. That means whenever your website is actually going to achieve this day or this moment, so it is for me 223, the website will be completely out of your hands and it will be disabled or deleted from your hosting. The second way to actually delete your website is simply by clicking here on help, and then here you can search for delete, or you can search also for like refund. So these are the two things that you can do. So let me just search here for refund, and as you can see here there is multiple options. So here it is, for example, here payments and refunds, and here you can click to get a refund. So I want to get a refund, so here we go, and you can just contact them through your email or just chat with them now, and just with couple like talking, etc. They will refund the amount that you have bought your website with, and the website will be disabled or deleted. So yeah guys, that was it to today's video. If you enjoyed, please leave a like and thank you guys for watching.